Looking to elevate your organization in the world of advanced manufacturing? Here's why you should sponsor ICAM 2025, October 6th through 10th in fabulous Las Vegas. 1. Position yourself as a leader. ICAM 2025 offers a unique opportunity to showcase your organization as a trailblazer in advanced manufacturing innovation and standards development. This isn't just a conference, it's where the future of the industry takes shape, and your sponsorship signals leadership to a global audience. 2. Engage a targeted, influential audience. Connect directly with top decision makers, innovators, and thought leaders from industry, academia, and government. ICAM brings together the people who drive manufacturing forward, giving you unparalleled access to influence and network with the right crowd. 3. Drive industry impact. As a sponsor, you're more than an exhibitor. You're a trusted collaborator. Your involvement helps tackle pressing challenges in manufacturing and accelerates the transition from research to real-world applications, making a tangible difference in the field. 4. Boost your brand visibility. Elevate your brand through prominent placement in event promotions, on-site signage, digital communications, and post-conference reports. Whether it's a coffee break, happy hour, or the networking hub, your name will be front and center for all attendees to see. 5. Shape the future of standards. Hosted by ASTM International's Additive Manufacturing Center of Excellence and supported by a dozen technical committees, ICAM is the premier forum for standardization in advanced manufacturing. Sponsoring means you're at the table, helping transform markets and set the stage for what's next. Don't miss your chance to be a part of ICAM 2025. Visit amcoe.org to secure your sponsorship today and join the movement shaping the future of advanced manufacturing.